What is going on, everyone? It's Aloha Friday here on the islands. Got a little bit of rain, got overcast, but it's hot, and it is hot as crap. No disrespect to anybody where it's really cold and snowing. My apologies. Also, shout out to everybody who hit this morning on the Silver Toes. It was another crap show this morning, but it is what it is. My new theme now and moniker is on to the next. Don't worry about it. At the end of the day, it's only just shoes. It is what it is. So I don't need to get a bit out of shape. Life goes on. Now, if you haven't followed us on the Who Has the Heat, the Sis 313, Retro Queen, and MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, by all means do so. Go over there, hit that red button, and subscribe. As well as subscribe to the Who Has the Heat channel and my channel. As we're currently on the road to 10K, on the way to 10K, 7,500. We're going to do a little small giveaway. Also, check out my feature channels above. You got a lot of dope channels up there. You already know what to do, how to go check them out. Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Ash Cat, Ashy Reviews, Jonah Vlog, Melanie Sweden, Pam Money. All of them very, very dope channels. And like I said, I always try to bring you different stuff. Different stuff. And for those of you, one other side note, for those of you who going after those cool grade 3s tomorrow, good luck. Mine are on the way, and I will get them eventually. And we might review them, we might not. Just depending on how I feel. But hey, it is what it is. Let's jump into it. Enough talking. Nike box, orange. I don't know if these released or not, because I don't see any release date on these joints. This is a PP personal pair, size 10.5, Fisher Colorway, Summit White, Air Max 90, suggested retail price, 130 of them things. You see you got the RF and your 4D code. Shout out to JC them, Foot Action, Flight 23 and Waikiki, Wacky, the keys, all of that good stuff. You know from the item, you know about the word, the keys. Up here you got your stamper ramp. You got your QC with saying it passed. You got your paper wafer. And you already seen it's look at that shoe. Very, very nice. You got your anti-mold sticker to make sure dirt go quality. And these right here are the Air Max 90 Burlap. You know the burlap bags, you get the potatoes in it and stuff like that, bam, and bang. You remember when you just had them sack races, you hop in those burlap bags? I know I'm gonna start showing my age, but hey, it is what it is, right? But haven't seen these anywhere. They were the first place that I saw them, and they was moving pretty fast. And it's rare that you see extra laces in the shoe. Right, extra laces. Right, so underneath, look at that. Not quite a gum bottom, but it's kind of got like a taupe looking colorway. Not taupe, not Taupe, but a taupe looking colorway, right? So that's very, very dope because it ain't white. It won't drive people crazy. Coming around here on the toe box, you got some pretty good leather right here. Look at it. Oh man, more cushion for the pushing. Nice, very nice and soft. SAWFT or soft, whatever you want to do it. And then you got your burlap right there. You see that? Don't that remind you of a potato bag, right? You put your old potatoes back in there. I don't know if they do that now. Well, that's when you get the big bags of potatoes. You go to the restaurant, you'll see it in the burlap bag. And as you can see, this is dope. The whole tongue is leather. And you got your embossed Nike in there. That is dope. And the stitching is on point. Then you got your white Air Max unit like so, and you got your traditional Air Max, and you can see you got your stitching and all of that stuff. Then you got your burlap materials. You got these kind of fluorescent laces, and then you got Nike Air on that Dairy Air, on that Okole, on that Butte, on that butt. You get my drill? Then coming around on the media side, you pretty much got the same thing. White, Air Max, burlap, all of that good stuff. And then you come on the insole, you got a size 10.5 with the fuchsia. Miss Fuchsia. And you got paper insole. And pretty much you got the same thing on the other side of the shoe. Now, with that being said, because it's short, we got straight to the point, right? Air Max 90, nothing spectacular about it. You just get straight to the point. and that's what we're gonna do. So on the little meat on these, I'm gonna give about a 4.75 because I like the little different type material they use. They've been doing burlap, they've been doing recycle. So yes, I like it, and they come with extra laces. 130, got my military on that, so I got them like 115, 120 with tax. I cannot complain. So if you have seen these before, let me know. If you haven't seen these before, let me know. Let me know, would you cop these, or this is too white, or this would be a great shoe for the spring or summer. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Much love, peace, and hair grease, and I'm out. Deuces.